Oh my gosh, y'all, we're going to Dubai!
I love America.
What the f? Yeah, so I don't know. Hey y'all, it's T. I'm with T-Bell Meek. Hey y'all. So we finally made it to the airport, and your girl's going to Dubai. Like, woo! But yeah. So I don't have a lot of camera battery. We're probably gonna charge it once we get to sit down at the gate and stuff like that. But basically, we're gonna be going to our, you know, checking the TC.
Back, y'all.
So excited. Yeah, so I'm super excited. We got a whole group.
Hey,
y'all say hey.
Yo.
But super cute. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get like settled after TSA, because you already know how to be going. And I actually like to get in and out. That's it. So I'll see you guys actually when we get there.
What one y'all got?
Hey y'all.
Hey, Tara, I'm still walking.
I need you to lock in with the video.
Tell the video to lock in with me.
Okay, anyway, Brittany, say hey. Purr. We ready, y'all. Don't start with that fool. We officially made it onto the plane. It was a lot trying to get my bag and stuff up there, but we did it. And we're here, and we did it, and we're here, y'all, on the plane. Camille.
Oh, okay.
Camille.
Oh, this is better.
Whose glasses are those? I can't. Wood's back here with Brittany. Cuties. I'm going to bed. Yeah, and I will talk to y'all much later. Hey guys, I'm still watching my movie. I'm still relaxing, but we are officially in Dubai. I'm still chilling, still watching my movie. I'm not gonna stop watching my movie till we land. I'm enjoying myself. It was a nice smooth flight for 14 hours, and I took the time to relax. Your girl is finally settled. We are in we are in Dubai. Like, can't nobody tell me nothing. Big grad out the little one, grad vacation in Dubai.
What is going on?
Come here, please. Like, we give you our room tour, so we're gonna start when you first walk in. Whew, when you first walk in, you make that sharp left, and then the lights for the bathroom are on the outside. So you turn it off or on, and then the vanity, will turn the vanity on too. Excuse me. There we go. So this is this is the bathroom. Shower, tub, a bidet, and then, well, this is the bidet and then the regular bath. I mean the regular toilet and the bidet. And yeah, super cute, super cute. When we first walk in, we got some of our luggage, but it's okay, y'all, ignore the luggage. And then another mirror, because like Dubai just wants you to look at yourself. Like, you the baddest in Dubai, and that's what's happening. And then you come in, and then we got 2 beds, one for Camille, one for me. And then, you know, I got the TV, super cute, a little mini bar that's outdoors, a little desk, a Camille. She came with the room.
Hello, America.
Not America, Bookie. And then there's this like sliding thing, super cute. And we've got a nice view. Y'all can barely see because of the reflection, but super cute. Which I have closed because we're about to shower and stuff. There's so many mirrors in this room. And then the closet, you would think it's a wall, but it's not. It's a closet. It's super cute. Yeah.
Does Willow want us to bring those things right now?
And a flashlight. I don't know why.
Willow want us to come take a shower and then get dressed.
So, yeah. That's the room, y'all. I'll update y'all later. We're gonna shower and get ourselves together. I'll update y'all later. We're gonna shower, get ourselves together, and then we're gonna go to dinner. So, it's currently 10:17 in Dubai. I think it's morning time over there. I don't know what time, but it's super early over there in America. So it's like 2 p.m. no?
You talking about super early in America, like it's like
I mean like early in the afternoon. I mean like
at the world clock.
It's like early in the afternoon.
It's 2:17. Yeah.
Oh, I knew it. So it's 2:17 p.m. over there. I was right. Yeah, so I'll see you guys a bit later. If anybody has any like camera tips for lighting, let me know, because I think you can really use those tips. But we're about to get ready to go to dinner. I just have on a orange Skims dress. It's kind of like a rooftop chill vibe. So we'll just do this in sandals for today. Yeah. I'm about to flexi rod it. Y'all may not think it's gonna work as fast, but I did it before and it was only a few hours. Camille says hi, vloggy woggy. We love Camille, y'all. Oh yeah, she's gonna play music, so I'm gonna probably montage this.
It's not bad for you on the plane for 15 hours.
How can I love somebody else if I can't love myself enough to know when it's time to let go?
So this is it fully completed. And now we're gonna wait till Camille gets out of the shower. She's still in the shower. And then when she gets out of the shower, when she's fully dressed up, I'll take these out literally while we're about to be walking out the door. Because I want them to try to curl as much as possible. So I will talk to you guys once I'm actually taking them out. Oh yeah, okay, we're gonna take these out now. It's that time. Look at you, that these look good. I won't be too excited for you, no. Okay, we're getting a little something. Oh, I'm like pulling on two wrong things. Two different things. These will look better tonight for tomorrow because I'm gonna curl them earlier. A little something, just a little for tonight. So. Nothing too crazy, just so cute. But I feel like the black is like the white and the I don't know. I'm gross anyway. This fit. This Camille's fit. Girl, act civilized. Show me your fit.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my gosh.
We're girls. Don't give a fuck.
No, that can't be the excuse this whole week.
This whole week it can't be the excuse.
Well, that's what I'm gonna say. What? What?
None of these stayed in. I slept too good. Yeah, I'm going to Wood's room. Okay, I gotta do my edges. Oh, it's so pretty. This is the hotel we're staying in. That's this big dome. Wow. Dubai is beautiful. Say good morning.
Good afternoon. Afternoon.
Excited?
I'm excited for the camels. ATV, not so much.
Huh? Where did she go? Where's the person?
Right here.
Oh.
Right here. We're waiting for.
What's hot, y'all?
Yeah, I just brought the actual battery. I didn't bring the whole charger.
Yeah, I need a battery.
I was gonna put it in your
Thank you.
bag, but your bag is full. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm gonna sit back though.
Where y'all want to
Is there a work booth coming or is it?
Let me just bless Shita.
This is us.
Well, where you at?
Oh my gosh, y'all, we're in the transportation and we're heading to the ATV right this corner.
Are we picking up more people? We are.
Don't be rude to me.
What a battery, James?
Currently, wow.
It's in his bag.
I have one hotel more pickup after we go to the
Do it, girl.
Why he staring at me? I don't like that.
Oh, girl.
That man in the freaking window.
I'm gonna move up.
Oh, put
He over here keying it up. Don't look at me.
That's a 2024.
That's a 300. That's the first time I've seen one of these.
That's an SRT.
It is? Is it?
392.
I know, they don't make them anymore.
They doing car talk,
They're
right?
like,
But we're on our way to the ATV
I
riding
think that's a swap look, you
and
know.
camel riding. Like, I'm so
That's probably what they do. You know they be.
excited. How excited are you, John?
Super, I'm sucked, dude. Let's go.
All these late today. I don't know what's going on. They woke up late to go to breakfast.
I had breakfast.
They didn't want breakfast.
They forget we in another country. Honey ordered room service, ate in my bed, then got ready to go. Thank you.
Immaculate cow. Love them all though.
Camille, we didn't order room service?
I ain't say y'all didn't.
You said immaculate cat.
And went right back to sleep.
And went right back.
Oh no, me and Bray had a good nap. Bro, y'all
That nap was
boys.
good.
I
That
don't
bed
know
is
what
nice.
was in the food.
No, that bed. It's the bed.
UKO.
Put more in
probably
my
the
there.
ice
No,
cream.
it's
That's what I said.
no, it's the bed. It's the bed because in the middle of the night cannot get up.
No, girl, I'm talking about going to the bathroom, girl.
Oh, your boneless chicken. It's
I
that
kept
chicken.
waking up because I
don't
thought
know what it
y'all
was.
left us.
Let's see again.
Yeah, we just made it
It was like 3 o'clock.
And it's at 2 hours.
desert where we're supposed to be for like the ATV riding, and it's so hot, I can't even focus. I'm thinking this is cute little water.
Why y'all open?
I just saw the scariest animal. Anyway, but it's really hot.
The Z-Way.
So everybody's here. They gave us some water. It's like a little air conditioning thing, but it's barely giving the girls anything. Hey, you know what I mean?
Fast, you want.
Yes, hey.
Picture.
During safari, if anyone feels sick, use plastic bag, please. Plastic bag.
What plastic bag? I'm dead.
And do not hold this hand up your head. It's not strong.
He got a smile on his face. He looks so deviant, shit. There's some fur on your back. Katie!
Wait.
Let me do it, okay? Let me get through it, okay?
Wait. Take it right now.
Unless we do.
Come on, you better tell him I don't play. Wait. Oh, we're in the air.
Oh, maybe we do go down. Oh, I think we do go down.
I gotta close my eyes. No.
Hands up! Hands up!
Hands up is crazy. Car is leaning, y'all. We're literally leaning. Yeah, we took some photos and now we're about to get on the ATV. The ride here was so crazy, but I'm super excited to get on the ATV.
What are you doing?
It's raining. I'm extremely scared. Why, honey?
Hello.
I got an ankle right now.
So, I gotta switch it. Yeah.
Wow.
I ain't gonna lie, this is crazy. Nah, it's crazy.
Hold on tight. That's no joke, fam. Hold on tight, fam.
What's that? Oh, he met. Oh, that's higher than I
You good it? You got it?
Oh yeah, so we finished all the ATV riding in the snow, sandboarding. Now we are at like the dinner and stuff like that. And they have like live entertainment. Super cool, and they're gonna be bringing us like unlimited food and dishes and stuff like that we paid for with our package. And we paid an additional, hi, thank you. We paid an additional $17 when we got here so we could stay with air conditioning. But yeah, other than that, we're on vibes.